Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Has issued a special marine warning for.
How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here, along with
Norfolk Southern Storm.
and today,
On the way to work.
gotta love Walmart. So
Hey, you got it right the first time.
yeah, so and in today's video, I'll be setting up the radio that I totally didn't swipe from Katie, the RadioShack 12-258.
Yeah.
Yep, totally did not swipe it from eBay at the last second.
Hey, I'm getting a nice one, though.
Alright, let's plug this in. And the reason why there was no unboxing video is because I ordered multiple things from eBay, and I just wanted to make sure that this radio was the right one. So I didn't want to say, oh hey, I'm unboxing a 12258. The next thing I know, I unboxed an Apple TV remote. But yeah, so anyways, now that I have the cord ready, it's right here. Let's press all the buttons to wish it good luck in service. And I think there's a few switches on the back. Alright, we'll set the alert to on for now, just for the purposes of this video. Then we shall plug it in, if I can find the frickin' adapter. There we go. Channel 4, so that's WXM80.
It was partly sunny in Chester and New Haven.
Wow, I like how it kind of has it actually has a little signal indicator on the top. That's pretty cool.
The temperature was 65 degrees in the season.
Alright, I don't know if this guy has left same codes in here, so I'm just gonna enter the user setup and set it back to factory. There we go. Pressing the weather brings it to the user setup. Alright, default on, so that brings it back to default. Let's plug it back in. Wait, what were you saying, Katie?
I'm gonna get stuck behind a truck all the way down here. We're back.
Oh, oof. Alright.
Always.
Alright, I clearly know how to work this thing. Alert mode, set that to voice. I think that's... Yeah, leave reminder off. Area select all. Tone defeat, warning. Let's just scroll through here. Let's see, avalanche, blizzard warning. Oh wow, you can actually disable the amber alerts in the on the 258. Coastal flood warning, dust storm warning, flash flood warning, high wind, special marine warning. Yeah, let's just disable that so this way it often doesn't wake me up at 3 a.m. No, just kidding. I'll leave that on.
Yeah, I kinda love the special marine warning. Or my case from last night, all the flash flood warnings can come in.
Yeah, gotta love special marine and flash flood warnings.
Really? It's 4 a.m. It's 4 a.m. Now is a good time to pull out flash flood warning siren after what?
Alright, volcano warnings, winter storm warning, and that's it for the warnings. I clearly know how to work this fucking thing. Let's go to watch, avalanche watch. We'll leave those on. Because you never know when any of these alerts will get issued. Alright, flash flood statement, we'll leave that on. Flood statement, hurricane statement, severe weather statement, special weather statement. Unknown, yeah, we'll just turn those unknown stuff off. Test.
Gotta love those unrecognized warnings.
Alright.
That I get all the time.
Alright. All the tests are on. Alright, I know
Joel's planning to enter the surf shoot check with local beach patrol deputies. Light and variable wind. East winds around 5 miles with you in the water near a lifeguard. If caught,
That's lovely.
not swim against the current. If able,
Wow, the speaker quality on this radio, despite being from the early 2000s, is actually pretty good. And I'll just tuck this cord into my bed, so this way it's not being yanked in with my desk being out, because this actually doubles up as a desk. And look who just joined.
Hey, I can only be on for a little bit, but I figured I should join.
Alright. I actually just finished setting up the main parts of the 258. Now I'll actually be doing a siren
Evening through Tuesday morning.
How is it?
It's actually pretty good, and I think it just nope, it didn't glitch. It's actually the setup is actually similar to the 255 that you have, and the button beeps sound the same too. Alright, let's set the siren volume up to max. Yeah, it does sound like a recom. I'll have to self-activate this radio later to see how it responds. But
That's kind of similar to 260.
That sounds like the 255. It even sounds like the 255.
yeah, you're right. It kind of does.
Winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
All right, and
Kind of sounds like 260 almost.
yeah, before anyone asks, why did you set it up with your computer? It has a little port on the side. Yeah. Well, first of all, look at my computer. It's a fucking Mac, and yes, I do have a Windows virtual machine on here, but I don't have a disk drive on this computer either because it's the Retina display. And also, even if I did have the CD, I don't have the cord. So yeah, I'll have to self-activate this radio a little bit later today and see how it, Oh, I just noticed it has the bad spelling of weather radio. With the radio! Yeah, you can't really see it, but,
Hey, I'm here.
Hey, the mail.
Hey, Nortel 2599 just joined.
Bobby.
What's up, people?
Wow. Hey, wow.
Yeah, I was just,
So I hear that somebody's present arrived.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, my 258 just arrived. I almost said 255. Wow, that would have been bad. But yeah, my 258 just arrived. And,
That's cool.
yeah. Looks...
Can I say something really quick?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, sure, just as long as you don't possess my WR100 afterwards. I mean, what?
I'm still gonna possess it no matter what.
Oh, fuck.
But anyways, if you're gonna, actually no, let me start over. Do not sleep wrong, otherwise you're gonna wake up with a really sore neck.
Oof.
And that's what I'm
Been
feeling
there.
right now.
Oh, yeah, been there.
I've been there, done
Yeah,
that.
it freaking hurts.
Yeah.
Been there, done that. It sucks.
I've, stuff on my neck wrong, stuff on my shoulders wrong, I got stuff on my back wrong. Yeah.
Yeah, sleeping wrong is a big oof. So yeah,
Now Drew's here.
Hey!
Well,
hey Drew. So
How much? You guys started yet?
I just finished setting it up. I'm just going over. I'm just using filler because gotta get that ad revenue somehow. Actually, you know what? Now that I'm in here, it could be a good time to break out the old self-activation kit. That's the 2nd gen. That's not the one I'm looking for. Where the heck is the 3rd gen? This is also a 2nd gen. Yes, I actually have tape on the back of them because I need to know which one's which. Aha! There's my trusty 3rd gen.
You should label them.
I have labels on them.
You did?
Yeah, I just used some Scotch tape and wrote what generation it was with a Sharpie on it.
Sharpie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Someone say Sharpie?
Sharpies are Michael's favorite writing instruments. Am I right? Oh. Come on. Come on. Ow! Fuck! That was the ceiling fan.
Don't hurt yourself now.
Yeah, don't worry. I don't plan on hurting myself. Let's see.
Well done.
plug this in. Yeah, I gotta save as much of my physical health as possible for the for something that might be happening this summer. Hint, hint. All right, can this plug in now? Thank you. Ah, yes. Gotta love the old Apple logo. Back when Steve Jobs was running Apple. Alright.
Yes.
Oh. There we go. Now it's untangled. Alright, I shall be back. I'm gonna pause the recording here.
Go again, but I figured I should just join while I still could.
Alright.
Okay.
How's cutting the lawn with your Honda Civic? I mean your lawnmower.
Nicholas, damn it.
Hey, you knew I was gonna say it.
You didn't have to, you chose to.
Bullshit.
How is it bullshit?
Because it's bullshit. Alright, I'm gonna pause the recording here and get set up, so I shall be back shortly. Computer, do you mind telling me why you're just showing me this message now? Your Apple ID is being used for iMessage on a new iPod Touch. Does this look new to you? Does this look new to you? Does a third generation iPod Touch running iOS 5 with... I mean, you can't really see it because of the amount of icons on here. I mean, this might be better, but... Does an iPod Touch, a third generation iPod Touch, with a 12 with my old 521 as the background, look like a new iPod Touch to you?
Yeah.
God damn it! All right, let's bring the trusty 258 down here. All right, select the channel, set it to channel 2. Ah, yes, the old signal loss reminder. Alright, where the hell is the... Alright. There is the external antenna jack. Let's load up the good old music app on here. Oh yeah, I forgot, iOS 5 has ridiculous loading times. Let's not do an EAN given the bullshit that happened earlier this month. Let's do required weekly tests as an example, because Upton forgot to do it. Oh. And my frickin' iPod's glitching out. Alright. Do you viewers on here, do you see this? Do you see this? I'll have it set to, say, required weekly test. It's on full volume. I didn't even touch it. And it just decided, oh, I'm gonna go back to the previous track. Alright, let's use a different plug. So that's how it reacts with a weekly test. So we know the radio still activates. Let's see. What's another good alert I could activate this for? Yes, the good old special marine warnings. There we go. I just noticed that when it activates, it behaves similarly to the recom. You know how on some of the recoms, the recoms, the radio freezes up when it's decoding an alert. The 12258 does the same thing.
Thank you. I went to get me my drink for today. See, I got it right here.
What is that?
This is called a cherry frost, courtesy of Dutch Bros Coffee.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
okay. Okay, Lisa, pour that in front of me.
All right, let's see. I'm feeling a.
You see, I'm also on the road too.
Nice. You taking the Silverado? The Silverado.
Since when did it become a Silverado?
Oh, motherfucker! It's a Tahoe, isn't it?
When did this become a Silverado?
I don't fucking know. It's all I know is it was a Chevy. All right. Don't judge me.
You mean a
You're
Chevy?
pretty close. It's a Tahoe, not a Silverado.
You know what I meant. All right. So, aside from that.
The way that you called it a Silverado.
Anyways, I'm feeling a bit extra devious. Let's activate this for a damn watch. I mean, I don't think it'll work, but yeah, unknown watch to the TV. Yeah, so now we know how this radio reacts to alerts, and we know it does because I just activated it for 3 different alerts. Weekly test because Upton failed to do it last week. Special marine warning because we love getting woken up by those. And this was supposed to be a damn watch, but since this radio was made in like the early 2000s, that alert didn't really exist yet. So yeah, this has been a setup and test video of the RadioShack 12-258. Be sure to strike them likes and flood that subscribe button and flood that notification bell. Also be sure to subscribe to these devious people over here because they make amazing content as well. I'll have their channel links in the description below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Thunderbuddy 01 here, along with Clay Ranger 143, who isn't here at the moment, and
Norfolk Southern Storm.
Yes, test van 25.
You already know who I am.
No, we don't.
Okay, well, you already know me. It's the good old NorCal Dude 599. And I'm going to get a haircut right now.
And I am almost to work because they changed up my schedule.
alright, so I'll see you guys next time. Take care.